Alright, y'all. So we just pulled up. Chris hit me up about this Evolution Performance meet. And we just pulled up to see what it is.
These are the people that was going to do my long sprints.
Yeah. But it's really chill. And the first car we just look up and see is a nice little single cab 5.0. Big turbo. That one is nice. I'm about to switch camera view so I don't gotta keep flipping back and forth. This one's clean though. We got another 5.0 M8. Is that an M8? Yep. Damn. Dude, there's actually quite a bit of cars over here. And then that's the meat. Never mind. This is all
car show in the parking lot, bro.
What's done to this? Going straight. That tires. This one is nuts. I want him to pop the hood though. I want to see what it is.
I know.
What are you looking at? A nice Firebird. I think it's for sale. Infinity. Ooh, a Cobra. Damn. Interiors. That interior is clean.
Bro, like not even a scratch in the paint.
Oh, look at this Cobra.
Bro, New Edge box style,
I like that. I like the wing.
Bro, I really like the New Edge box style.
I like the wing on that.
1962 Austin Haney? I don't know, there's a lot of...
This is clean too. That's Vinny. But this is clean.
What is that shit box, bro?
Nah, not the vet.
Bro, my uncle that died, he's got a black one.
An SS? Got a Beamer. Then we got Vinny. How you doing, Vinny?
What's up, bro?
An Evo. Wow.
Damn, you see the boots on it? Hold on.
This is really nice. This one of yours?
Yes.
This is clean, man. I love it.
Yeah,
Wow. Got another Mustang. Those wheels are clean on this Mustang. I like them. BMW even. Ooh, this carbon wing is clean. And this Alfa Romeo. I was just sitting near it and it just went off.
Is that really a part of the phone?
That's a yeah, bro. That thing's nice. That's an Alfa Romeo.
Bro, literally will fucking spank an M4.
I know. This Beamer. Look at mine right here. Hell yeah. That's clean.
This guy was at
Yeah. Yeah, I seen this. This is clean. Wow. That's how he does burnouts.
I know.
Yeah. Probably not. Everybody got their shit whippled and supercharged. That's crazy. The Saline 5.0. I like the white wheels with it. Huh?
No Manny.
No main auto. This is still really nice though. I like the wing on this.
No, they still got the temp pad on
Oh yeah.
that joint is brand new.
I like it.
Oh,
That's clean.
Appreciate that. Yeah.
How'd you get the wheels so white, man?
Get behind that. Is it a drive in this house?
Well, it's a mix, really. So it's not a daily driver, but it doesn't just sit heaters.
Okay.
But it is brand new.
What's your daily?
So 2017, that's a S550 GT.
Oh, so
Damn.
his daily's badass too.
He's got it all. That's really nice. Man.
Imagine our daily was at S550 drive.
Bro, I wish. Oh, we finally got it started. They were in there with jumper cables.
I know.
Oh yeah. But dude, everything. I'm telling you, everything. Oops, my bad. Damn. I'm not gonna lie. I don't like the orange, but I like how it's all matched. Yeah, but I still like how it's all matched. Is it a Roush? Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. This one is clean.
We're on fast lanes.
Huh?
We're on fast lanes.
Can't be that bad. He's got a bunch of Mustang. Bro, you can just tell this thing
That's some
rips.
BTs right there.
You can just tell this thing rips.
I'm a welder forever.
You're a welder, you said?
I've been for 22 years, but the simplicity of how they did this.
They're
with how
pretty good.
beautiful no, it's easy when you pedal shit. But it's beautiful because you can see how they care because they took the time to make everything go around the right way, if that makes sense.
Damn.
How are you guys today? I'm Billy.
I'm good. John.
John?
Chris.
Chris, pleasure.
Nice to meet you.
Happy Saturday. Nice to meet
Happy
everybody.
Saturday. Yeah. It's really
I
nice
keep
out.
just making rounds because you find new ones every single time.
Dude, this is so nice.
It's better than tips.
Oh yeah, definitely. Dang. I like the carbon. That's what mine has. You get that, yeah, the carbon. So he gets this thing is really nice. I like how it looks. Oh yeah. I don't think it will. This sounds clean. Huh? Oh, damn. You think he's gonna do it? He just completely missed it, but someone just did a fat ass burnout. Damn.
Oh, yes, sir.
That was nice.
I know.
That was a good one.
Oh my God.
God damn. Just come up. God damn! He ate, I'm not gonna lie.
I can't even get to see you, bitch.
That was the meet. Me and Chris left. We're going to meet up.
This is turn only lane. Let's go over one.
We're about to go meet up with JJ at a car wash, and I'll hang out for a little bit.
Turn only lane.
But other than that, that's it. Y'all have a good one, and tune in on the next video. Sorry I was late on the last two Sundays. I was working a lot, didn't have no time to come out. So other than that, I'll catch you all later, and y'all be safe.